Today, I'm going to teach you how to check in at a self-service kiosk with American Airlines. This is a convenient way to skip the counter lines and handle everything yourself, from printing boarding passes to tagging your bags. Let's walk through exactly how this system works. Before you even arrive at the airport, you'll want to begin your check-in process either online or through the American Airlines app. This is an important first step because it gets your trip into the system and speeds up the entire kiosk experience. During this online or app check-in, you'll have the option to select the number of bags you need to check and pay for them if your fare doesn't include free check baggage. Once that's done, you can download your boarding pass directly to your phone or print it at home. Having this boarding pass ready is key for the next step. Now, it's worth noting that this process is available if you're flying within the United States and you've booked a main cabin ticket. These are the eligibility requirements American Airlines has set for using the self-service kiosk system. When you arrive at the airport, head to the self-service kiosk area. You'll see several kiosks available, and you have multiple ways to access your trip. The easiest method is to scan your paper or mobile boarding pass directly at the kiosk. If you don't have your boarding pass yet, you can also enter your 6-character confirmation code. This is a code like NSYYSZ that you received when you booked your flight. Another option is to enter your AAdvantage number if you're a member of their loyalty program. Once you've accessed your trip and it appears on the screen, you'll see several options available to you. You can print your boarding pass if you haven't already, which is especially useful if your phone battery is running low or you simply prefer having a paper copy. You can also print your bag tags right there and attach them to your checked luggage. If you need to make any last-minute changes, the kiosk allows you to change or buy a seat as well. For things like requesting standby or upgrades, you'll want to handle those online or in the app before your flight rather than at the kiosk. Here's where it gets even more convenient. At select airports, American Airlines offers something called Express Bag Tags, and this feature is a real-time saver. If you added bags to your trip during your online or app check-in, you can simply scan your boarding pass at the kiosk and it will automatically print your bag tags for you. This eliminates extra steps and gets you through the airport faster. After you've printed your bag tags and attached them securely to your luggage, take your bags to the bag drop area. This is a designated spot where airline staff will accept your tag bags and send them on their way. And that's the complete process for checking in at an American Airlines self-service kiosk. You've handled your check-in, printed your documents, tagged your bags, and you're ready to head through security. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.